Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be doing the unboxing of my Play by Sephora box. And I already opened the box because I don't like doing it while I'm filming because it always takes me a long time to get into it, but I have not looked in the box. So we will discover what I received this month together. So as you open the box, you'll get a little pamphlet that shows you all of the products, and it tells you a little bit about it. And it's hashtag beauty goals then and now. You also get a little voucher for 50 Sephora beauty points, and you have to use these. Oh, it says shop in store or online, so maybe now I can use them online, because in the past you have only been able to cash these in if you shop online. So it looks like we may be able to do it now if you shop on, I'm sorry, before you could only use them if you shopped in the store. Now it looks like you may be able to use them if you shop online. So I'll check that out. So this month's box is pretty cute. It's a little like denim, like a soft denim. And it almost looks like just a little cord. It's really cute. So let's see what we got this month. So the first thing that I'm pulling out is the Detox Dry Shampoo by Drybar. And I do like dry shampoo, and this is a nice little deluxe size for traveling. So let's see, I've never used this brand before. It smells very, very nice and fresh, so I definitely will can't wait to try this. I like that. The second product is by Benefit, and it's the Professional Primer. Now I do have this in a regular size, so I'm probably going to give this to my granddaughter or my daughter. But this is nice for traveling, but the regular size is not that huge, so I don't have a problem traveling with that. And I still have quite a bit left over, so I'm just going to pass this on. The next product is a mascara by Marc, and it's a nice deluxe size mascara, and I'm not going to open it right now because I already have a few of them open and I don't want to open another one. But I do like the Marc mascaras. Let's see which one this one is. It says a velvety no clump mascara that creates voluminous lashes with a unique curvy brush. So that's nice. Hopefully it will give me volume and length, which is what I look for in a mascara. So I can't wait to try that. Okay, the next product is a Sephora brand mud mask. And I do love masking. And this is a nice deluxe size. Now it's gray instead of black. I guess the black was of the charcoal. So, but these are nice. I definitely do like this. So let's see what benefits this has. Okay, the mud mask. Let's see how to use. Apply an even layer over clean dry skin. Let it dry. It'll change colors once it's ready to be rinsed off. So, it reduces the appearance of blemishes without over drying, and it leaves skin soft, matte, and ultra clean. Plus watching it change color is satisfying. Okay. So if you're really bored, you can watch your mascara change colors. I'm normally not that bored. I usually put them on, watch TV. Usually go over my time limit because I forget I have it on, and then I go rinse it off. But in case you're curious, you can sit there and watch it change colors. And then the last product is the tattoo liner by Kat Von D. I change colors. I'm normally not that bored. I usually put them on, watch TV. Usually go over my time limit because I forget I have it on, and then I go rinse it off. But in case you're curious, you can sit there and watch it change colors. And then the last product is the tattoo liner by Kat Von D. I never bought a regular size one because, to tell you the truth, I may be a minority in this, but this is not really one of my favorite liners. To me, it's a little wet. It's not super black. Now it does have a nice little brush that is very soft. It seems to me like it's a brush, not a felt tip, but like a brush. And you can make your line either thick or thin. But I have to go over it several times before it looks really black. So I don't know if this is just me or... I don't know. I know people love this liner, but it's okay. It's not anything that I really want to go and buy the regular size, the full size. And the bonus this month is a fragrance by Marc Jacobs, Decadence. And this smells really good. I have received this one before, and this smells really, really yummy. It's one of my favorite ones. I actually bought one of those Sephora favorite kits that you can buy the different samples, and then it comes with a voucher that you can get a free roll-on. And this is one of the options, and I'm going to get this one because it smells really yummy. I really do enjoy this. So this is it for my Sephora play. I hope that you enjoy this video. Thank you so much for spending some time with me. If you're new, please subscribe. And if you are returning, thank you so much. I really do appreciate your support. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.